The time is 5:36 p.m. We got Amtrak's P097 here at Deerfield Beach Station with the Pennsylvania Railroad private coach car on the rear. Got Alice 42.
Got your BLF 726.
Yeah, it's coming in a little bit hot, but he's gonna be long, so. Slow down, Mr. Engineer. Please. Yeah. Over on. Alright. Amtrak 97. Clear the par, I think.
Alright, P097.
Alright, here we go.
Southeast wind.
Providence, Croton River, Seneca River, Pennsylvania Road. Wow. Look at that, wow. Amtrak 97 with the Colonial Crafts, Pennsylvania Railroad. Wow, just look at that. This is a beauty. Yeah, the guy was waving out the back. Anyways, that will do it for 41 here. That will do it for 41 here. Next up, probably Amtrak 41. Amtrak 41. Alright.